now that they've done it, I think it opens their minds to thinking they can do any of these types of things. It looks hard, but at the end of the day, it's just bits and pieces put together and you get something big at the end. They just take that kind of information with them through life and they want to get involved in some kind of other project. They know they can do it.
Just knowing all the kids, the mentors, George, knowing everyone involved, it was just really exciting to see like it all come together, it all work well. Individual students can point out, oh, this was what I did, this is what I did.
I will fly today. I'm really nervous. I'm scared of heights. I'm really excited though.
So that's kind of the whole building process. Once that was done, we finally could take the kids on the ride. So last week we took them up and they all got to fly in the plane they built, which was a great experience.
It was a lot of fun. Like I had the adrenaline pumping a little bit when we first started going around to the runway,